What really happens when you type a URL in a browser? Explained. Simply, you type a website name and hit enter. But have you ever wondered what actually happens behind the scenes? Let's break it down step by step. Your browser doesn't understand google.com. It needs an IP address. It first checks its cache, local memory. If not found, it contacts a DNS domain name system server to find the correct IP. Once found, the browser moves to the next step. Now, your browser knows the IP address and sends an HTTP or HTTPS request. This request goes through multiple networks before reaching the web server. If HTTPS is used, encryption is established for security. Server processing and response 146 to 230. The server processes your request and fetches the required website files. These files include HTML, content, CSS, design, and JavaScript, functionality. The data is sent back to your browser in small packets. Your browser assembles the received data into a readable web page. The HTML structure is processed first, then styled CSS are applied. Finally, JavaScript is executed for dynamic interactions. Factors like server speed, caching, compression, and content delivery networks, CDNs, affect load time. A well-optimized website loads in milliseconds, while a slow one can take several seconds. So next time you type a URL, remember all the magic happening in the background. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like and subscribe for more.